Hey guys, it's Bigsby again, back for another video, and today I'm going to be opening this. I got it at Walmart. Yeah, let's just tear right into it. And if you don't know, just rip the back right off of it. This is what it is. It's a Pokemon Sword and Shield collection boost thing. I don't know what it is. Yay, wrapping. Yay, more wrapping. Pop out a coin and more garbage. I don't know how I'm going to do that. Okay. Got a nice Garchomp coin. As you can see, it's very nice. Put that over there. Oh, here's a code card. Whoops. Here's a code card for a free Morpeko. Online. There you go. You can have that. I don't use it. It's a very nice Morpeko. Okay, and then... Sorry, my dad came in. You can gaze at that amazing Garchomp card. Okay, let's see. What do we got? We got 3 Sword and Shield booster packs. Let's open this Snorlax one first. Let's see what's in here. Yeah. Let's see. I have no idea the card trick thing. Let's see if I can get it here. Okay. Oh, here's a code card. Free code card. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I think I got. Whoops. I think I got it. Let's see. We got Minccino, Chinchou, Krogunk, Galarian Meowth, Scorbunny, a Water Energy, Quick Ball, Galvantula, Air Balloon, Minccino, and Poltegeist. Huh. Interesting. That's a rare. Just put that in the pile there next to that coin. Did I do that right? I'm not sure. Okay, now let's open this Zacian one. Yeah. I can even open it. Yeah. Yeah. Oh well, let's move on to that one because I can't open it. There we go. I don't think I got the card trick thing right, so I'm not gonna do it. Here's the code card thing. Okay, Scorbunny, Silly Cobra. He's a very silly cobra. Ha! I'm hilarious, I know. Yamper, Grookey, Kufik, I don't know. Hitmonlee. Just sick. Anyway, Ninetales. I'm surprised it's not. Oh wait, never mind. Ninetales, Energy, Ferrothorn, Raboot. Can see it, Raboot, and Lumberry. I don't know why, but the camera's not focusing very well today. Let's see, what was the rare in this one? Yeah. Let's see, it was the Ninetales. There you go, now we're moving on to this last one here. Oh, there you go. I can't do the card trick thing right, so whatever. Yeah. So we got Nickit, Chinchou. Oh, I forgot about this. Here we go, free code card. Diglett, Ferroseed, Goldeen, Sinistea, Corviknight, Steel Energy, Corvisquire, Great Ball, and Potion. Well, that's all we got, and it wasn't anything that interesting. I don't think our rare was a Corviknight. So, nope, nothing very interesting. We got the full evolution of Poltegeist. And we got Corvisquire, and I already have Vulpix. But that was about it. I was hoping for something different, but oh well, you can't always get everything all the time. Well, is that it? I think that is everything. That's all my garbage and stuff. Oh, that's about it for me.